Today's special mission, a border raid over the border and dash into Italy for the night. The morning ritual. Look at that, lovely. Look at that behind me. So today's day, everybody, today's trip is to Annecy. We're going up over from Susa in the top of Italy, over the Borg Saint Maurice, saying all these wrongs probably, Vinoise National Park, Borg Saint Maurice, the Vinoise National Park, Borg Saint Maurice, Vinoise National Park, and we're also going to visit one of the most charming little places ever, like Lac Roselend, okay, or Roselend, Lac Roselend, however you wish to pronounce it. But first of all, I want to let's get the bags on, sing the praises of this hotel, which is Hotel Napoleon in Susa. What a stunning hotel. Because if you ride on two wheels, whether it's pedal power or motorcycles, you really want to stay here. But I'm just going to take you down to show you why these guys are geared up for bikers. So let's speed things up very briefly. Let me show you. Here's a bit of a steep drop. The road to Val d'Isère. The road to Val d'Isère. The number which I've forgotten in a minute. Currently blocked because of an RTC down there. So I'm not going to do the typical bit and look and photograph RTCs because I'm not into that. But here we are. D902.
Yeah, he's holding it there when they load it.
Few years since I've been back here and seen this. So there it is originally, and they dug out the town to put in the reservoir.
Troy, here we come.
I recorded. Annecy to Troyes, on the motorway, big old motorway, but we've got a small diversion because Phil's route planner has noticed a 30-minute delay on the original motorway, so we're rerouting. But this is as good as motorways get. Checking oil, checking tyres, checking stuff like that. Checking out the service station, which is Scorchio. It's 29 degrees. I think it's probably hotter since we've come out. So anyway, hot. Let's see what the boys are up to. Looks like there's issues. 29 degrees here at the moment in the service station between Annecy and Dijon. But even in France, you find people you can only describe as complete and utter dickheads. I'll show you why. There's a car, 29 degrees, right? And in the back, a poor little dog.
Did you take a photo of the number plate and you've got a nice contact?
Sunday, Troyes to Ypres. I say we're safe. Tim's not here yet, is he? And so begins the mayhem that is called bike jostling. I'm trying to think of what it looks like. A metaphor for all the bikes trying to find a little position to sit.
Where's the best place? What direction are we going in?
Yeah. If it rains, Phil's going to get wet instantly, he says, because he's wearing a fleece.
But it'll be warm rain,
What's the weather report?
thunderstorms.
Phil's been predicting good weather all the way through, but now we're...
Changing his mind. Covering all bases.
Trevor's been for a wee.
You having a wee? rest at the park deliberately by Joan to accumulate points.
What, me?
How not to win friends.
They talk about toxic masculinity, but there's this big toxic femininity as well.
Well,
Yeah.
we are the most cunning sex. And the most intelligent one.
And here's a question.
Go on,
If you're the most intelligent sex, how come you consistently end up with us lot?